We start by slicing the chicken breast into thin strips, the base for a juicy and budget-friendly stir-fry. Then, we place the chicken in a bowl and marinate it with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a splash of water, black pepper, sugar, and cornstarch, which makes the chicken tender and juicy. Mixing the chicken well makes sure every piece is coated. This step gives the stir-fry its juicy texture and deep flavor. We finish marinating with a touch of sesame oil for that rich, nutty flavor. Now we prepare the veggies. Cut about 2 medium red onions into large strips, and take a moment to separate the layers for better flavor in the stir-fry. Next step, smash the garlic to release its aroma, then mince it for extra flavor. Now we slice the green onions into 1-inch pieces, keeping the white and green parts separate, because they'll be added at different times in the stir-fry. Add some oil into a hot pan, and let's start cooking on medium-high heat. When the oil gets hot, add the red onion and season with a pinch of sugar and salt. This balances the flavor and makes the stir-fry taste even better. Stir-fry the onion for a minute, giving it a few quick tosses to release its sweetness and aroma. Friends, I'm really curious, where are you all watching from? Tell me your city, your country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state as well. I'd love to hear it. At this point, remove the onion from the pan and set it aside. Add a little oil to the pan if needed. Then add the ginger slices to the oil and let them sizzle briefly to release flavor. Place the chicken in the pan, spread it out, and let it fry until the bottom turns slightly golden brown. Then, stir the chicken to turn it over so it cooks evenly and stays juicy. Next, add the white part of the green onion and the minced garlic. Stir-fry the garlic and green onion whites for a few seconds. Season it with some soy sauce and a touch of dark soy sauce. Keep stir-frying the chicken until its color evens out. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 3/4 of a cup of water and dissolve it well. Pour it over the stir-fry, but give it a stir first. Cornstarch sinks to the bottom and you want a smooth sauce. The sauce quickly thickens into a glossy coating, and as you stir it through the stir-fry, a warm, rich aroma spreads through the kitchen, making it impossible not to get hungry. Now, add a splash of rice wine to lift the flavor and give the stir-fry subtle depth. But don't worry, you can skip it if you don't have any. It's time to return the red onion along with the leafy part of the green onion. Add the sweet corn rinsed and drained for a touch of sweetness and color, then give it a quick toss. Turn off the heat, finish with a drizzle of sesame oil, give it a quick toss, and that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Tell me your city, your country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state as well. I'd love to hear it. At this point, remove the onion from the pan and let it fry until the bottom turns slightly golden brown. Wow, this chicken and onion stir-fry looks amazing. Tender and juicy chicken with onion that's perfectly crisp and flavorful, never raw. A simple, budget-friendly dinner that's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheap meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.